I'm MaryAnn with Halo Overhead Doors, and today I'm here to show you how to program a LiftMaster remote. The first thing you're going to do is lift up the cover. Once you've lifted the cover, you'll see two buttons. Press the round yellow button like a doorbell. Once you've done that, you're going to use your remote control and you're going to click the large button until the operator begins working. It'll either click or the lights will come on, or both. Now it's working. You've completed the programming of your remote control.